Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to go ahead and look at creating a Google Classroom. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and in my search bar, I would type in classroom.google.com. As you see, I've used it before, so it pops up for me, but it's simple, classroom.google.com. Okay, switch over here. Once you enter Google Classroom, mine looks like this because I already have a classroom set up. So once you come in, if you do have Classroom or multiple classrooms, they'll be listed here for you. If you don't have a classroom already set up, which I'm going to demonstrate setting up a classroom today, you'd go ahead and click on this little plus sign, and it's going to give you two options, to either join a class or create a class. We're going to go ahead and create a class. And for this demo, I'm going to actually name my class Demo, and then click Create. So once I have set up my classroom, is going to bring you to something that looks a little bit like this. It may look different because it's going to give you whatever theme you want. So if you want to go ahead and choose a theme that you like, you would go ahead and select Theme. And it'll allow you to personalize it for your class. I'm going to go ahead and pick one that's bright and colorful. So how about that fun little piece of candy? We'll select that. And then you'll notice that that's going to be the new theme for your classroom. So the next thing you'll want to do in setting up a classroom, obviously, is probably to get it ready. So one of the things that I like to do is I like to go ahead and I like to set up some topics. All right, so in my demo class, one of the topics I'm going to use is Google Tools. I was going to demonstrate the use of different Google tools with this demo class. So I'll call that Google Tools, excuse me. And my next topic, I'm going to show people how to use Google Classroom. So while navigating Google Classroom. Alright, so now I have some topics kind of to set up my classroom. Alright, and then the next thing I'm going to want to do is probably go ahead and have my first post so that when my students come to my class, there's something there. Okay, so that for creating a post or creating an assignment on Google Classroom, you're going to go ahead and down here, there's another one of those plus signs. And so it gives me the option to create an announcement, create an assignment, create a question, reuse a post. So if I've had a post I've used in a previous classroom, it might give me the option to do that. So I'm going to create an announcement today. Welcome to our class. And I could choose whichever so I want that topic. I could choose Google Tools or navigating Google Classroom, but this isn't specific to either of those, so I won't choose a topic. But if I wanted it to be able to search by that, I may do that in the future. Alright, so now the first thing my students see when they come into our classroom will be welcome to our class. Okay, another thing you could do is you could create a question so that when your students are there, they have a first assignment to do, or you could simply create an assignment for them. Okay, so those are the different options you have right there in front of you. Alright, and then the next thing you'll probably want to do is have some students in your class. So in order to get students in your class, you can do it a couple different ways. So you can go to the students right there and click Invite Students. Okay, this will allow you to, if you have students within your school system, you can type in their name or their email address and add them that way, and that will give them an email in order to join your class. Another way is if you have the students open and you have them sign into Google Classroom, similar in the way that we did to log in, and instead of clicking Create Class, they choose Join Class. Then you'll be able to give them this class code right here, and that will allow them to join your class. Alright, and then you can select right here, students can post and comment, students can only comment, only teachers can post or comment. So you get to customize how you want the students to be able to interact with on your classroom feed. Okay, and then this last piece would be your about your classroom. So you could write a description of your classroom. If you're going to have this class take place inside a school, you may choose a room. Okay, and you may set up a calendar for your class. So those are different things that you can do there. So I hope this was helpful in showing teachers how to set up a class. There's so much more that we could do, and like I said, I just wanted to show you here how to set the class up. Thanks. Look forward to more videos for demonstrating the different things we can do using Google Classroom.